welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for liking our first video
and subscribing to our channel.
Today is 26th November and it is the super sale weekend. So we thought it is going to be the best time where we can share different sale events that happen in UAE. So let's take you around Dubai this weekend and show you what all is going on and what you can expect when you come here for shopping. So this video is going to be for all those people who love shopping.
Irrespective of the world situation, people love to shop all the time, and UAE is no exception, especially Dubai. Here people shop till they drop, and they really love to spend money on themselves. And one of the prime reasons for that is the amount of options, range and variety you get here. So if you come here and retail therapy is in your agenda, then this video will really help you to shop big and save big. Okay, so time for a quick fact. As you know from our previous video that UAE has 9.9 million people. Out of that, 2.8 million people live in Dubai. And Dubai has more than 65 malls. That is approximately 43,000 people per mall. That's quite huge. Malls makes more sense here because primarily due to need.
Here there are 4 main sale seasons, as you can say. First is DSF, second is DSS, and third is Super Sale, which is going on this weekend,
right.
And last is Zytex. So in this video, we'll tell you about all these sale that happen here.
So Dubai Shopping Festival, also known as DSF, starts in mid of December and it lasts till end of January, which is almost 6 weeks. You'll be knowing this because UAE promotes this shopping festival in many of the countries in print and social media, including India, China, Russia, and many other countries. And though it's called Dubai Shopping Festival, but we have seen that there are discounts in almost all the malls and retail outlets all across UAE.
I remember before getting married, my friend and I had planned to save up all our money and come. We had some other plans and this is going to be my 5th DSF this year.
DSF has huge discounts and promotions across the UAE in malls and retail outlets. But this sale is not only about that. There are a series of events like live concerts, fireworks, art installations, stage shows, and street markets that happen in the malls across UAE. This also has raffle draws and chances to win huge prizes.
Dubai Summer Surprises comes in the month of July and August, and it is also for 6 to 8 weeks like DSF. Though it is in summer, so most of the activities are indoors rather than outdoors as it is in DSF. So it is also a very good opportunity to come and shop here. Next is 3-day super sale. It happens twice a year. One of the weekends in May, and next one happens around the Thanksgiving weekend in November. So it's a very short-term event and it happens only for 3 days. Personally, we used to love this super sale, but this year we didn't find much exciting offers. So we would recommend you to try DSF and DSS to get better deals, because then it's a longer duration and for sure you'll get some deals and offers in those 6 weeks that it happens. Last but not the least, Zytex Shopper. Zytex Shopper is held in Dubai, is mainly focused on electronics and gadgets. This is again a short-term event which happens at a specific location, that is Dubai World Trade Center, and happens only for a weekend. Zytex Shopper happened somewhere in March, although this year this could not happen due to COVID. The next one is planned in March 2021. Over the years, we have seen brands giving similar discounts in stores during the same time the Zytex is going on in the DWTC. But the benefit of going to Zytex Shopper is that you might end up getting a deal which are only available for few hours at the venue. But this venue gets super crowded and intense. We recommend to go in comfortable clothing and footwear and be prepared to get haggled for the best deals.
So now I think you have a fair bit of idea. So let's go home and compare all 4 different sales.
So let's summarize everything we have discussed so far across these parameters. So let's look at DSF first. It happens only once, starts in mid-December till end of January, so it's about 6 weeks. Happens across UAE, across all products, and discount ranges up to 60%, and there are no entry fees. So since DSS is a counterpart of DSF, it has almost the same parameters, only difference is the time of the year. It happens between July and August, which is kind of peak of summer. So if you are a resident, that is more useful to you. If you are a tourist, I think DSF would suit you better. Let's talk about 3-day sale event, which is 3-day super sale. It happens twice, May and November end. It happens across UAE as well. It has discounts up to 90%. And last is Zytex Shopper. Happens only once, mostly in March, again for a very short duration, and it primarily focuses on electronic and gadgets. Worth noting points about Zytex Shopper: 1, it happens only at one place, and 2nd, it has a small entry fee, and you need to have a proper research before going to Zytex to save your time and to get the best out of that.
So hope this video helps you decide when to come for your best shopping experience in UAE. And even if you don't come to UAE in these dates when the sale is happening, don't worry. There are 2 places, Outlet Village and Outlet Mall, where there are offers going on throughout the year. So you can always go there and shop for your best brands on deals. The only catch is these both places are quite away from Dubai city center. So, and also they don't have the metro connectivity. So it's a bit hard to reach there. But if you want to shop, why not?
So thank you again for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and bye.
Compare all different sales.